Time to review Hot Wheels. Okay. What's up, guys? This is PTC channel. Ngayon mag-unbox tayo ng dalawang Hot Wheels, which is these two Hot Wheels. So, it's Ford F-150 Lightning costume and the costume Otto. So, ngayon lang ulit tayo nakapag-upload after ang huling upload ko May 2. Alam niyo naman, busy tayo kasi nagpirma ako ng clearance kahapon hanggang next week ay magpipirma ako second clearance, kaya ngayon lang tayo nakapag-upload. Ngayon tapos na ako magpirma ng first clearance kahapon. Siyempre ngayon, rest day ako ngayon. Okay? Kaya ako nakapag-upload, mag-unbox tayo. Alright. There's costume Otto, there's a nice faint car, color orange. The other is the black car. Okay, gonna unbox with videos with music. There we have my Hot Wheels, the Ford F-150 Lightning costume and the custom Otto, the orange car, and the Ford F-150 is the black car. I like this, but I like this car also. Ang ganda ng kanyang quality, ang galing gumawa ng Hot Wheels, no? Spray from Mattel. Yan guys, here you have the Hot Wheels. Alright guys, so if you like this video, so leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget the notification. So I'm gonna do another upload for this channel. Bye guys. Soon. Maybe it's McFarlane. Comment what do you want for more unboxing videos, McFarlane or Hot Wheels. So just comment Comment lang kayo sa baba kung ano yung gusto nyo i-unbox sa akin. I-unboxing ko. So, bye guys. See you guys next time. Bye.